Caterpillar and its dream. There was a colorful caterpillar living in a park. It used to roam around the entire park happily. One day it saw a bird sitting under the tree and then flying up to the tree with food. The caterpillar started to wonder, why cannot the caterpillar go up a tree? It knew it cannot fly but climb. So the next day, the caterpillar started to climb the tree. But it had only moved few inches before it lost control and fell down. Day 2, the caterpillar again climbed and fell down. The caterpillar kept trying, and on day 10, the caterpillar was able to move forward without falling. But still there was more distance to climb to reach the branch. Now the caterpillar started to feel tired and climbed down and returned home. Next day, day 11, he climbed and again felt tired and returned home. It was day 20, but still no change. Caterpillar could not reach the branch. That day, he was lying on his bed very sad, thinking about how to climb and reach the branch. Seeing him sad, his father asked, "What happened, dear?" "Dad, how much ever I try, I am not able to climb the tree. Can we caterpillars not climb trees?" "Son, I don't know if caterpillars can climb trees or not. None of us have ever tried." And his dad continued saying, "But never give up when you want to achieve something." This made the caterpillar think deeply what he wanted to do. Day 21, the caterpillar started climbing and he did not return home when he was tired. Instead he rested on that tree. Day by day he kept moving forward and never looked back. Finally on day 30, he reached the branch. When the caterpillar looked down, it was not the same branch where the bird used to sit, but there was still a smile in his face. The caterpillar shouted, "I have climbed to a higher branch than the bird. Hooray!" Dear children, keep trying and never give up on your dreams. You will reach greater heights than you imagined.